Welcome back. Now, Fantastico has RSS related applications. If you scroll all the way to the bottom and you go to the RSS section, you'll see 5 different installations that you can use toward RSS. In the tiny RSS script, you can consolidate your news sources, and you can pretty much do the same thing with Selphos. Lelina does all the same things, also offers feed sharing. Now, one thing you'll want to keep in mind is that this software was last updated in 2012. There's Gregarious, which is again a tagging system. Once again, this software was updated last in 2008. And what we'll be installing is the Feed on Feeds activity. So to do that, we're going to scroll down to click this blue button. We'll then give Feed on Feeds a directory. And then we'll add in the username and password. And then we'll click Submit. We'll then come to the Feed on Feeds page where we are verifying our information. We'll then click Proceed. Then Fantastico will start the install process. And then once that process is complete, we can then log in. And then we will have access to the Feed on Feeds system. Now, this website is one that you will primarily be using yourself so that you can keep track of everything that is happening within your specific reading. Thanks, and I will see you in another video.